Welcome. If this is your first time, my name is Chaz Lewis and I'll be your Sunny trainer for today's workout. We have a huge library of body weight and cardio workouts, and we release new workouts every week, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to stay up to date and follow for new releases. That being said, let's go ahead and get to it today, you guys. We have a great Sunny bike, fan bike workout plan for you today. Now, the way this workout is set up, we have 3 separate intensity levels. We have a beginner, an intermediate, and advanced. And I want you to challenge yourself. The way that this workout goes is 20 seconds of work, 40 seconds of rest is gonna be our beginner level. 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds of rest is our intermediate, and 40 seconds of work with 20 seconds of rest will be our advanced. Now, that 40 can be pushed to 45, give or take your conditioning level. But like I said, there's a level for everyone, and that way you can push yourself as you go. That being said, let's get on the bike. First things first is we're gonna start with that hard work, and then we're gonna hop straight to our second exercise, which is a plank to push up. So this is total conditioning, a full body workout. Let's do it, you guys. So we're gonna hop on that bike, make sure that that bike is adjusted, and then we're gonna push. Just like that. Focus on your breathing. Good. Couple more seconds. And time. Go and catch your breath, deep inhale and exhale. Feel free to keep slowly pedaling if you like to as you breathe, or you could hop off. We're gonna start out with a couple of those beginner intensity levels as our body's warming up, and then we're gonna push that pace towards the end. Like I said, if you are already warm, knock out that intensity already, all right? Let's go ahead and hop on the mat. Now we're gonna go into some plank to push up. So we're gonna start in a plank position. Everything's squared, making sure that the hips don't sink, and then we're gonna drop and then move right back up. Just like that, you guys. Focus on your breathing. Good. Making sure you're picking the arms up. Couple more seconds. And time. Excellent. Let's go ahead and stand up. Catch your breath. Now the plank to push up is the same intensity level breakdown. So if you did the beginner intensity level on the bike, then you're gonna do the beginner intensity level on the plank to push up. Intermediate, intermediate. Advanced, advanced. Just like that, you guys. So again, catch your breath. You should be feeling this in your arms, your legs, all the above. Let's go ahead and get to it again, you guys. Let's hop on that bike. We're on in 3, 2, 1, and good job. Wonderful. Catch your breath. Now me, when I'm on the bike, the fan bike, there's a couple things I'm looking at. I'm looking at my watts. I'm trying to generate as much force in that time frame as possible, or I'm looking at my speed or RPM. All 3 of those numbers, I'm trying to get as high as I can, but at the same time, I'm trying to hold throughout the duration of that rep or that interval. So keep in mind, pay attention to where you're at as you're going. Your distance is important, but only if you're going for a total distance workout, all right? Let's get to that plank to push up. Ready? And just like that. Making sure you're picking your arms up. If you need to drop to your knees at any point, that option is there for you. Almost there, you guys, keep it up. Don't let those hips swivel. And time. Go and drop those knees. Slow and steady. Make your way up and catch your breath. Deep inhale and exhale. Awesome, awesome work, you guys. Let's go and slowly stand up. Now, one more thing I forgot to mention earlier, when you are setting up your bike, you wanna make sure that that seat is right at that top of your hip. If it's too low, what that does is over time, all the reps slowly start to tighten that hamstring a little more because you're not giving your leg a chance to fully extend. So you wanna make sure that that hip is, or that seat is hip height, all right? Let's hop on the bike. And now let's go ahead and move up to that intermediate level. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Just like that, you guys. Good work, you guys. Catch your breath. Now, just because this is a bike doesn't mean you shouldn't practice your posture. What we don't want is to be here. We want to be upright. We're pushing and pulling with the upper body as we're cycling with the lower body. Again, full body movement. Let's hop on the mat. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Hop into position and let's do it. Good. Keep it up. Almost there, almost there. And time. Good work, you guys, good work. Shake it out, catch your breath. Deep inhale and exhale, focus on your breathing. Again, this is a full body movement, so we don't wanna hold our breath on any parts of this. Whether we're on the bike or we're down here or in between those, we wanna make sure we're trying to recover as quick as possible because we only have 5 seconds before we rinse and repeat. Let's do that same interval setup again, 30 on, 30 off, and let's do it. Excellent, excellent. Good job. Breathe it out. Nice, big, powerful breaths. Good work, good work. Again, the goal behind this is holding that pace. So before you stop and have to catch your breath, I'd rather you slow it down to a walk or a crawl before you stop. All right, let's keep it going. Right into it. Keep those hips squared. Try not to swivel. You're gonna get phenomenal core engagement out of this. Wonderful, you guys. Go ahead and stand up. Shake it out. Big breaths. Good work, good work. We're going to advanced route on this one, you guys. We're pushing that tempo. We're gonna push it to the 45 seconds on this one. All right, so that means 45 on, 15 off. Keep it up. Man, I love this bike. Let's do it. Let's hop on. 3, 2, 1, and let's push, you guys. Awesome, you guys, awesome. Big breaths, deep inhale. And exhale. Find your breath. Excellent work, you guys. Let's finish it off. Plank to push up. Same time. Last one. Let's do it, you guys. Woo, keep it up, catch your breath. If you need to drop to your knees, that option's there for you. It's our last rep, you guys, push through it. And time. Awesome work, shake it out, shake it out. Big breaths, let's take one deep inhale. And exhale. One more. And exhale. Perfect. Awesome work today, guys. And that's a 10-minute conditioning workout on the flying bag. Catch you guys on the next one.
If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I teach boxing, mobility, and yoga. Plus, many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below.